Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I am Ethan, and summer may be coming to an end. However, we're gonna celebrate everything summer has to offer in the next few weeks. We're still throwing it back to some iconic summer songs. We've done a bunch of desserts, I know, for these classic summer songs, but there's one thing that I feel like we haven't done, and that's make like lemonade. When I think of summer, I think of lemonade. And for today's video, it's gonna be a little different because this song is not much of a throwback. I mean, maybe like 3 months, 6 months, a year. I don't know exactly when it came out. But it's the song Love Me Less by Max. Now, I've always wanted to do a treat inspired by this song involving lemons because like the whole lyric video or like the audio is him just like squeezing lemons into a thing. So I want to do that too. Is that weird? Today, we're just going to be making a very simple, basic lemonade, perfect for parties or parties. And the ingredients for this recipe are lemons, 4 cups of water, and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. The first thing we want to do is juice our lemons. Now, we probably don't need this many lemons. We're actually just looking for about 1.5 to 2 cups of fresh lemon juice. All I'm going to do is take our lemons, cut them in half, and squeeze them into this liquid measuring cup, just so we know how much we're going to get. However, I'm kind of going to do this a little bit faster than Max because he's like, lemon. Then shows it to the camera. Begin slicing and juicing your lemons into your liquid measuring cup. When juicing lemons, I like to juice it over my hand, that way I trap the seeds. I say that and the seed just went in. Maybe just do it however you'd like. Come on. Oh, cut. They got something in my nail and it kinda hurts. Would you love me less if I had a scrape on my ring finger? Now the lemon juice is thin. One done. We got a 4th cup of juice. Continue slicing and juicing your lemons until you reach 1.5 to 2 cups of juice. Well, I know now why that video was so slow, because it takes so long to juice lemons. I thought it'd be quicker than this. Well, that was very eventful. Did not know it would take so long. My hands kind of sting. The cut is really stinging from the juice. I feel like we got some seeds in there. It got all over my shirt. I should have had my glasses on because it got in my eye. But it's all worth it because we're gonna make lemonade. That's what I keep telling myself. Like, don't give up. Like, you might not love it now, but you're gonna love it more when it's lemonade. Now I want to take our juice and our sugar and add that to our pitcher. Holy buckets, it's tart. Wow, now we can add in our sugar. Whoa. Lemons, what are you doing, dog? There's a seed. Hold up. We gotta go on a mission. Hold up. Hey, come back. No. Yes. Got it. To finish off our lemonade, I want to add in our water. I've got 4 cups of water here just because I found like for this recipe that kind of is what like the standard lemonade is. However, if you like yours sweeter, add less. If you like yours more dilute, add more. Just whatever your liking is. However you love it. If you love it less when it's tart, then add more. If you love it more when it's sweet, oh, that's the same thing. Never mind. Just add in your water. This is a great video. Look at that. Perfect. Look at that. Why does it do that? Wait, what? I'm gonna cry. It might be the lemon in my eye, but why is it so funny? Okay. I set our lemonade off to the side. Actually popped it into the fridge. Just to allow it to chill, so it's nice and refreshing. There's one more detail I want to make. This is obviously optional, but we're making ours themed towards Max and the song. And in that, I don't know what you call it, because it's not the music video. There's no lyrics. the song video, the audio video, maybe that's it, audio video. The picture has like the emoji lightning bolt on it, and I want to make that for our glasses too. I went ahead and made a template. I'll put a link to this one in the description below if you'd like to use it too. It's just lightning bolts. I'm going to take a sheet of wax paper and place that on top of our template. And over here I've melted down some yellow candy melts. I'm going to use these to trace around our lightning bolts. Once that hardens, go back and fill them in. It's now time to assemble this lemonade. The glasses I'm going to be using here are some tall glasses. They are clear. They're not yellow like the ones in the... We're deciding it's an audio video now. In the audio video? Yeah. Because we want to see our lemonade. We've actually worked really hard for this. And still stings, I'll have you know. Before we pour in our lemonade, we want to add on those lightning bolts so that we're not like sloshing it around when we add those on. I allowed our candy melts to harden, and I've got some more of the yellow candy melts. These are just the extras. I'm just going to take this lightning bolt, place a little bit of candy melts on the back, and stick it to our glass. After you've added on your lightning bolts, pour in your lemonade. To finish off this lemonade, just like Max did, we're going to add on a little half slice of lemon to the side. And here you have it, our Max Love Me Less inspired lemonade that we made today. Lemonade has to be like the most iconic summer drink. And everything about this song to me just was like screaming lemon. So it was a perfect fit. We made a very simple lemonade which turned out to be a lot harder for me than a lot of other things. But I promise you, it's just lemons, sugar, and water. I just make things a lot more difficult. Then we added on these cool little lightning bolts. It's kind of like an energy drink. If you happen to make this, please share with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another celebrity sweets, leave those down in the comments below too. Also, don't forget to share this video and subscribe. Until next time, savor life. Oh, wait. I have to drink this because I spent too much time making this. Oh, it is good though. That's worth it right there. Where was I? Make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video. And down here's another summer throwback. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.